Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 10, leçon J. And in this lesson we'll discover together something quite important because that's what we call the superlative. So the superlative in English it would be the most or the least. Okay, so we'll see how to make it in French. So first we'll see how to express this the most expression in English, and of course in French we've got the difference between the masculine form, le plus, the feminine form, la plus, and the plural form, les plus. Okay, so keep in mind that I don't pronounce this final S here, so we get le plus, la plus, les plus. Okay, and then if we want to express this, the least, in French it will be le moins, feminine form, la moins, and then the plural form, les moins. Okay, so le moins, remember when we combine this O-E-N together, we get the sound ouin, 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 okay, and we don't pronounce this final S. Le moins, la moins, les moins. Okay, so let's see now. Le plus, le moins, la plus, la moins, les plus, les moins. And normally, in most of the cases, they will be followed by whether an adjective or then an adverb. Okay, and in this video we'll see how to construct this superlative form, first with an adjective and after that with an adverb. Okay, so first part adjective, second part adverb, and then we'll discover in this first part les adjectifs. So how to construct un superlatif avec un adjectif. And I wanted to take some easy sentences just to make it as clear as possible, okay? And so this sentence is quite simple, but quite interesting if you have a look at it. Il est le plus grand. Okay, so this is le superlatif. We take the adjective grand, and it's tall, okay? Il est le plus grand. So have a look here. We've got le, just because we've got the subject here, il, okay? And it's masculine, singular, le, and then plus, and we put the adjective grand just right after. Okay, if you have a look at the feminine form, it's quite interesting because you've got elle, so she, elle est la plus grande. So the first thing that we've got to see is that we will use this la, okay, because it's the feminine form, so we should put la, it's the singular, feminine, so la, plus doesn't change. And have a look at your adjective, so grand. You will have to add this at the end of your adjective just to get the feminine form of your adjective, okay? Keep in mind that we've got some adjectives that change a little bit more than this one. If we want to put the feminine form, we saw that in a previous video, so if you want to have a look, you should use the search engine of the channel and use this adjective keyword, okay? And then if you have a look now at the plural form, ils sont les plus grands. Okay, so here we will put this plural form because we've got ils here, they, okay? So les, plus, and then have a look at your adjective here, grand. Remember, we will put this final S at the end of the adjective just to mark the plural form. And for the feminine form here, so we've got the elles, so they, but the feminine form, elles sont. So les will stay the same, okay? So it's quite a good news because les will cover the plural, so whether it's masculine or feminine, it will be the same, les here, okay? But then your adjective grand, of course, should first have this E mark of the feminine and S mark of the plural form. Okay, so let's see how they sound now. Il est le plus grand, elle est la plus grande, ils sont les plus grands, elles sont les plus grandes. Okay, so phonetically what you can hear is that this first form here for the masculine, grand, so you don't pronounce the final D, will be exactly the same as the plural form for the masculine, grand. you don't pronounce the final D, you don't the D here, and you don't pronounce the final S. Okay, so grand, and then same thing here, grand. And regarding the feminine form, you will pronounce it grande. Okay, don't insist on the final E, but then pronounce this D, grande, and then exactly the same pronunciation, grande. All right, so you don't pronounce this final S. Okay, so one more time. Il est le plus grand, elle est la plus grande, ils sont les plus grands, elles sont les plus grandes. All right. So what if we put this least concept? So it would be il est le moins grand. So it will follow exactly the same rule. So first you will put this le just because it's masculine, and then you put your adjective after. Elle est la moins grande. Okay, keep in mind that you will have to put the feminine form of the adjective here, and then you will put this largest because the subject is feminine. Okay, ils sont les moins grands. Okay, for the plural, les, and then s at the end of your adjective. Elles sont les moins grandes, so les for the plural, and then es at the end of your adjective for the feminine plural form. Okay, let's see now if you want to construct this superlative form with an adverb. Okay, so il marche le plus vite. Okay, marcher is to walk, and vite means fast. Il marche le plus vite. All right. If you want to put the feminine form, elle marche la plus vite. So the good news here is that your adverb vite will stay exactly the same. So you don't need, and look for the plural, il marche les plus vite. You don't need to modify it. You just put it after this le plus or la plus or les plus. Okay? And then you don't need to put whether the mark of the feminine or the mark of the plural, it doesn't change at all. So, il marche le plus vite, elle marche la plus vite, il marche les plus vite, elle marche les plus vite. Okay, so it's quite simple, and then logically, for the least, il marche le moins vite, elle marche la moins vite, il marche les moins vite, elle marche les moins vite. All right, so exactly the same thing. Le for the masculine singular, la for the feminine singular, and then you've got les for the plural form. Moins, 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 and your adverb, and it doesn't change whether it's masculine, feminine, or plural. Okay? Keep in mind that if you want to construct this superlative, and then after that you want to introduce what we call un complément, you will have to put de. So, the example here, il est le plus intelligent de la famille, of the family. It's exactly the same thing in French. We've got to use this complément de la famille. Okay? But then have a look here. Of course, as usual in French, when we combine this de and then the article le, it will become du. Okay, so il est le plus intelligent de la famille. So it's the feminine form here, de la famille. Elle est la plus grande du quartier. Quartier, neighborhood. Du quartier. So it's masculine. Okay? This is it for le superlatif. If you want more videos, youtube.com/imagier. And then the website is waiting for you, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.